Thar for me stands for a different purpose. It's a different thought process. It's not designed to compete with brand X, Y, or Z. It has its own identity, it has its own legacy, and it is standing true to that. Hi, my name is Goldie Nagdev, and I own a new Mahindra Thar.
Have you heard of the Lodi Art District in Delhi? Neither had we till we met Goldie Nagdev. Comprising 50 murals by Indian and international artists, it is one of the gems of the National Capital Region. And that's among the unexpected delights when you drive something like the Thar. You meet interesting people who know of interesting places to go to for a drive. Of course, we will be repaying the favor by taking Goldie off-roading. But first, what is a hardcore sports car enthusiast doing in a Thar?
The new Thar is the fastest two-door car you can buy in the country. Not just the fastest, it is the fun also. Why I'm saying fast is that these coupes and the two-door sports car that we drive, they have a lot of limitations. Where you can take them, where you cannot take them. You have to plan the route in your mind well in advance. You have to be cautious about the speed breakers, and if you do approach an unknown speed breaker, you are using all the geometry you learned in your school to align it at an angle to go without scraping the car, and if it scrapes, it hurts. With this car, you don't have to think, just get in, drive, enjoy, and it's fun. It's really a smile-inducing car. It's been since '95 when I saw the Mahindra Classic with the wired wheels and the chunky bull bar up front. I've always wanted a Mahindra since then, but somehow it didn't happen. So when the new Mahindra was previewed, or even when it was being talked upon on social media and auto magazines, an interest developed. And on the very first day of the booking, I went in and I paid my deposit for this one. I had read the reviews, and obviously reviews are very promising, but still there was some apprehension. Will it be as good, or will it fit into my daily driving needs, or will it be a very versatile car, or would it remain just for a weekend or a special occasion kind of a thing, right? And I had not test driven it till the time I took delivery of my car. So the moment I got into my car and I drove it out of the showroom, and we drove through normal city afternoon traffic, it turned out to be a very friendly car. It was very drivable. It wasn't something that it was a hardcore off-roader, or it was a car that was just for joyride, so it would compromise on the driving comforts and road mannerism. It's a sea change over what the last Thar was. So it's obviously, I'm happy to say it has exceeded the expectations I had with this car. We believe that Mahindra is all about diesel engines, and not just Mahindra, about several brands we formed this conception in the mind. It's a very natural thing. It's a resurgent group. They have been committed to provide best in terms of the automobiles they produce. So it's a homegrown company, it's a homegrown brand, and I think the leap of faith going for the petrol and automatic was very well justified, and I have my belief in this company. 200% it can be used as a daily driver, and I do use it for my office run on the weekend especially, or to the grocery run, or to the shopping run, or just for a little coffee drive on weekend mornings. I don't find one thing missing this car being a proper city car. Today we are a very aware set of consumers. We know that a car needs to have proper road manners, it needs to have all the creature comforts. Plus, it should be driver friendly. And another important aspect is the safety. So, the kind of importance Mahindra they have put into making sure that this car is meeting and exceeding a lot of safety standards is commendable. This car is more about what you can do with this car, not what you can carry in this car. I haven't tried it on off-road trips as of now. But my expectation is that if I am off-roading in this car, any place this car can get into, it would successfully get out also. I intend to do off-roading with my Thar.
off-roading abilities, we've brought Goldie to the off-road adventure zone in Gurgaon, Mahindra Adventure's partner up north.
One word that comes to mind is unstoppable and also effortless. I feel that even though I don't have much experience of off-roading, this car encourages me to do that. And it goes over all the obstacles and all the track that they've crafted out here effortlessly.
So here what we will do, we will stay in 4L, okay, which makes it much easier on the car.
So we are going down in this ditch, which you would see now how deep it gets as we go down. And this is basically checking out the approach angle and the crawling ability of this car. We are in 4 low as of now, and I guess this is as low as we can look. We are like pretty much facing the ground. It's perfectly in control. We're just going down inch by inch. I could never imagine that I would be able to do this without any assistance, and here we are talking and we are doing this happily, joking. Incredible. This is an incredible experience. So you could drive it to the work in the morning, and evening you could take this route home. It will do this effortlessly. When we were going up, there was zero visibility. It was just a sense of alignment and just sailed through. I mean, this is something I would love to do through the day. Perfect. This is so much fun.
Yeah. You're actually now figuring out what your Thar can do.
If I have to take up off-roading, this welcomes me into it, okay? Isuzu might kind of intimidate me. How would I manage it? It's a manual, the clutch, this, that, gear, right? The size of it, the visibility as well. Here I just sit down and I just roll and it goes away. So with my adventures, I know that I'll be thrown out one day. So I know where to send my CV now.
Internships are open.
I would love to do that, but I don't even get summer vacations at my work.
So Goldie, an evening off-roading the Thar. What did you think of it?
Super amazing, if I have to sum that in 2 words. And fantastic and fabulous, since it's a 4x4, so I'll use 4 words there.
What did it do that you didn't expect it to do?
Well, it was unstoppable. I mean, of course, I can't say that I did not expect it to be unstoppable. But what comes to my mind is it was effortless while doing it, and it was welcoming. See, I'm not used to all this. I don't drive off-road. And when I got in, there was a bit of an apprehension. Would I be able to do this or no? There was not a doubt on the car. So, this car encouraged me to push. It was inviting. It was not at all, casting a shadow on me that would I be able to handle this machine? No.
Would you do this with your own Thar?
I do this probably, I would want to do this every day because, putting it in the water, taking it through the articulation pit, the ditches where, my face was almost parallel to ground when we were coming in. I mean, it's a phenomenal experience.
Thank you, Goldie. Thank you for being with us on Evo. And if you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the Evo India channel because we have another episode of Early Adopters coming. Friends of Evo India, car enthusiasts who own the Thar and who think that the Thar can be a daily driver. Can it be a daily driver?
It is, of course, a phenomenal daily driver. It's a loving car.
There's plenty about the new Mahindra Thar in Evo India magazine, including lavish spreads on Thar early adopters like Parag Rajda, Goldie Nagdev, and more. The magazine is available on evoindia.com/magazine and also on Amazon India, Flipkart, and all major newsstands across the country.